This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Fiat 500 license plate bulb. First, make sure your car's lights are completely off to avoid any electrical issues. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new W5W bulb. This is a straightforward process that should only take about 5 minutes, even if you're new to car maintenance. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's access the bulb. Look directly above your license plate for the small, clear plastic lens cover. You'll notice a small notch on one side of the cover. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this notch. With a slight, careful prying motion, the lens cover should pop downwards, revealing the bulb assembly underneath. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the lens cover off, you'll see the bulb holder. Give it a gentle twist counterclockwise, and it should easily detach from the housing. Now, carefully pull the old W5W bulb straight out of its socket. It might be a little snug, but it will come out. Take your new W5W bulb and firmly push it into the holder. Make sure it's seated correctly for a good connection. To finish up, reinsert the bulb holder back into the housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Then, align the clear plastic lens cover and firmly snap it back into its original position. Give it a gentle push to ensure it's seated properly. Turn on your lights to confirm the new bulb is working. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.